Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you a $200 car stereo system that you can buy at Walmart, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like and what you guys will get if you go ahead and go to Walmart and get a sound system. So the deck is right here and everything is dual. So this is the deck. It has the radio, aux input, Bluetooth, the radio again, CD player obviously, has USB. It's some pretty good, just as basic buttons. So yeah, that's that. And I can go ahead and play a song for you, and I'll show you the amp and the sub. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk and I'll show you. There's a sub and the box. So I bought the box, the sub, the amp, and the stereo deck for $200. So this is the box. You gotta make it. It goes together very easily. And there's the amp. And of course I had to buy the wire kit also. Yeah, there's that, and I'll go ahead and play it for you guys and show you what it sounds like. Alright you guys, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like. Just a little bit. I'm going to leave the link to this music video in the description. There it goes.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found the passion for music never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you want to strip that away so you feel okay?
So these are the boxes, just in case you guys wanted to see them. You can get the deck, the amp, the subwoofer, the box, and the wiring kit for $200. And yeah, this one, 1000 watts. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like, comment down below what you guys think. And if you guys are new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.